Conversion to percentages. We have learned to express numbers as percentages. Let us now learn to convert fractions, decimals, and ratios into percentages. Fractions. 4/5 of the tomatoes with a vegetable seller are fresh. The rest are rotten. Express the fraction of rotten tomatoes as percentage. Fraction of total tomatoes that are rotten is equal to 1 minus 4 upon 5, which equals 1 upon 5. It means that 1 in every 5 tomatoes is rotten. Number of rotten tomatoes in a total of 5 tomatoes is equal to 1. Number of rotten tomatoes in a total of 100 tomatoes is equal to 1 upon 5 into 100, which equals 20. 20% of the total tomatoes is rotten. Decimals. The population of females in a village expressed in decimals is 0.55. Express the population of males in the village as percentage. Population of females is equal to 0.55, which equals 55 upon 100, which is equal to 55%. Population of males is equal to 100% minus 55%, which is equal to 45%. Males in the village form 45% of the total population. Ratios. In a school, science stream students have the freedom to choose between computer science and economics. The ratio of students with computer science to students with economics is 3:2. Express students who have opted for economics as a percentage of the total number of students in the science stream. Total number of science students is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Economics students in every 5 science students is equal to 2. Economics students in every 100 science students is equal to 2 upon 5 into 100, which equals 40. 40% of the science students have opted for economics.